Hello and welcome back, marvelous entrepreneurs. Today we are back with another session on affiliate marketing. We have been talking a lot about affiliate marketing now, and probably you all know what affiliate marketing is. For those who don't know, I'll briefly sum it up. Say it is like selling somebody else's product or service. You need not have a product, you need not stock it, you need not purchase it. It is you are just becoming a medium to sell somebody else's product or service. And for your efforts, you get paid for it. So we call it commission or bonus, whatever terms we use. So it's very easy. It's one of the most used technique by people to earn money. And today I'm going to introduce you to the topmost marketplace to find products. Ready for that? See, I'll just introduce you to the site which is known as the mother of all offers in the world. I'll quickly share my screen so that I can take you to that particular site. It is known as clickbank. Clickbank is known as the mother of all offers that exist in the world. So what you have to do is you just go to marketplace of clickbank, and can you see these categories? There are numerous categories available over here website, and you can select your category, whatever category you are interested in, whatever category, product or service you want to deal with. So suppose, for example, if you are looking at arts and entertainment, you just click on that and you will get a list of all the products under that category. All you have to do is you have to select whichever product interests you, and see, this is the average commission you will earn once you sell that. Now you can sort this on popularity or gravity. Gravity is like how well this sells, how often it sells, and the commission what it gets you. So there are a lot of see, look at this, for example, some essential guide to singing, and the commission earned per product is $91.97. And it is it's mentalism and magic tricks, and the average commission earned is $386.70. So there are a lot. There is some product tutorial here to learn photo editing, and it fetches you $20.91. So there are a lot of products here which you can opt and sell it under your banner. Now, going back to the category, let us take, for example, cooking, food and wine. Now again, you will get subcategories here. Can you see these subcategories over here? BBQ, baking, cooking, drinks and beverage, general recipes, regional, international, special diets, special occasions, vegetables or vegetarian, winemaking. So under each category, under each main category, you will get a lot of subcategories like this, from which you can go select. For example, since there are a lot of bakers in this group, you just go and see what are the options available under baking. So under baking, you don't have many options. You have keto breads and keto desserts, keto cake and pastry, yummy art cakes and cookies. Those are all only the ones, and here the average commission earned is not mentioned. Yes, these it is good. How about so recipes? Let us check recipes. For example, yes, have 3 pages full of information, and like you can select one of these product and affiliate marketing. So, and then like look at the attributes in case if you want to give whether it is shippable or pitch sale, languages selection, billing wise categorization. You can include more attributes like vendor users exclusive whitelist or support for mobile traffic, must have affiliate tools page. So you can get a lot of options like this. So what I need you people to do is you go to ClickBank Marketplace and search all the topics in which you are interested. The more number of options which are available here, that means there is huge demand for that particular category. For example, let us see parenting and families. You have got 7 pages of products available. So see, the commissions are pretty good: $28, $34, $57, $37, $47. So you can select whichever product you want. And look at these subcategories over here. So all you have to do is you need to have an account with ClickBank, and you select the product in which you are interested and start selling them. And see, they have tutorials here to how to find the product and promote, how to do affiliate marketing. So go through all those tutorials, improve your knowledge base as to how to use ClickBank and the basics, learn the basics, and start trying it out. So if you have any questions, you can ask. This is just one such marketplace. There are numerous marketplaces available in the market out there. So I hope it was interesting, and you just go out there and do a quick research on what all products are available and come back if you have any queries. If you have any comments, please post it in here. If you have any questions as to how to know more details, you can message me or post in the comments box here. If you have liked this video, give me hearts and likes. So affiliate marketing is starting. We will